Hello everybody. I will introduce Justworks.com website. It is a simple software expert support for payroll, employee benefits, HR service and complaints. I think this website is really very useful for small and big businesses because you can pay your people with easy payroll services and you can ensure your team feels secure and worried. Also, you can manage your team remote or not. And uh, to use this website, firstly, you need to be a member of the website. You must subscribe the website with clicking the start button here, as you see. And yes, you need to type your email address, first name and last name, and you need to type your phone number, and also you need to answer how did you hear about them. And after this, filling this informations, you need to submit the website. But I want to come back to the main page. As you see, uh, the website has two pricing plans. These are basic and plus plans. Now, yes, as you see here, and the basic plan includes payroll benefits, HR tools, company support, and 24/7 customer services. But plus plan includes everything in basic and also access to high quality, affordable medical, dental, and vision insurance. So, if you want to run your business professionally, I think you need justworks.com because it's really useful to run your business. And after subscribe the website, you can try it for 7 days free, and then you need to buy basic plans or plus plans. And thank you for watching my these videos. See you in other videos. Thank you for watching. See you. Bye.